Okay, so we're starting our final exam review today. We're on part 1, and we're just going to go through each section that's going to be on the exam. So take notes and do these problems with us. So when we're simplifying algebraic expressions, we're looking for like terms. And we know that terms are alike when they have the same variable or if they both have no variable. So in this problem number 1, I see a 4x. So I'm going to look and see if there's anything else that has an x with it. And I see 5x. Now make sure you highlight or circle or underline the sign that's in front of your number as well, because that's super important. So now I can add these two numbers, 4x plus 5x. What is 4x plus 5x? 9x. 9x. Is there anything that matches the 3?
No.
There's no other number, right? So I'm just going to write the 3 because it's going to stay the same and with whatever sign it has in front of it. And is there anything else that matches the y? No, there's only one y, so I'm just going to write that with the sign in front of it. So my answer was just combining the x's to make 9x plus 3 plus y. All right, so for number 2, which terms are alike? 2m and 6m. So I'm going to highlight those with the sign that's in front of the 6m. And what is 2m plus 6m? 8m. And then does anything match this n?
No.
No, so I'm just going to bring it down and leave it the same. All right? Okay, so the next section is 3-3, solving equations by adding or subtracting. So here are some examples of solving equations with addition or subtraction. Remember, when we're solving equations, we look at what's happening to the variable and we do the opposite. Good. And I'm going to draw my great divide line down my equal sign, because whatever I do to one side of my equation, I have to do to the other side of my equation. So the opposite of plus 7 is what? Minus 7. So whatever I do to one side, yep. And what is 21 minus 7? 14. That's right. Good. Again, I'm going to look at what's happening to the variable, and I'm going to do the opposite. I'm drawing my great divide down my equal sign. And what is the opposite of minus 6? Plus 6. So whatever I do to one side, yes, it is a positive 4. Good. Okay, and that is solving equations with addition and subtraction. Okay, here's 2 more problems that we're practicing for today. So try to solve these on your own, and I'll be right back with the answer. Okay, so here's the answers for these 2 problems, and that's all we have for today. So come back next time, and we'll keep reviewing next week for the final exam.